Not kidding. All right, you little YouTube traps. Today we're gonna disassemble the old donor truck here. So we'll put this on time lapse so we don't bore you, but we gotta take this thing down. Plan is bed off, cab, we'll cut all that stuff off, front fenders. We're gonna take everything off. So it's gonna just be a rolling chassis with the floorboard underneath. So yeah. Time last time. You know, part of me wants to like try to sell some of this stuff, but dude, I ain't got time for that. We're just gonna rip shit apart. All right, so what I decided, instead of getting underneath there, undoing those bolts, I'm just gonna cut them out. I think it'd be way quicker, way easier. We're not gonna do anything with this bed, and I'm not gonna be crawling underneath this thing trying to get it out. So we'll just cut them out. I'm gonna go get some protection on. All right, where we're at now, I bought my gantry out. Sometimes you think the easy way of doing things is not the easiest way. I tried cutting these things off and man, I spent more time running back, getting tools and stuff like that, thinking I'm gonna get this thing off quick. It was way faster. I just grabbed my impact, crawled underneath there, took out the bed bolts, and it was done. Anyways, those are all done. Now we're gonna use a gantry. I'm gonna lift the bed up, make sure all the wiring's disconnected. I did the brake lights and whatever wiring was running underneath there. The fuel lines, simple. Now it's time to raise this thing up and see what we got.
Embrace the flame.
All right, so I'm gonna lower this thing down and I feel like I'm gonna move the truck over there. Sawzall time. it out, convertible 7.3 liter. She's going on the 75 Super Cab. We're gonna take the front fenders off next, and then we're gonna slide this cab over top of this chassis, shorten it down 2 inches. Stay tuned, there's gonna be more. Now we're gonna get the wife's reaction when I pull up on this thing right now. We're gonna see what she says. Stay tuned. All right, reaction video. Convertible 10.3, 95 diesel here. Hold on. All right. Choo! You got juice, homie. She's gonna be freaked out here. There we go. Not kidding.
Oh my God.
I ain't joking when I'm doing a body swap.
Wow.
Yeah.
What the hell?
I don't know what I'm doing, but we're making this shit happen.
Oh my God.
Yep. Put her in park for a little bit.
What the fuck? Doesn't have a brake, or is it gonna roll down the hill?
Yeah.
Oh my God, babe.
Told you I was gonna cut this thing apart.
Jeez Louise.
Yep. We're gonna put the cab of the old one right on top of this.
Okay.
The bed on there. Are you picturing it now?
No, I still can't picture it. Literally cannot picture it.
Well,
But hey,
it's gonna happen.
I believe you.
Yeah.
I know you'll make it happen.
We're making this shit happen. All right.
Very curious to see how it's gonna turn out.
Hey, stay tuned. There's more coming. I still got to take apart the other truck, and we're gonna figure this fucking thing out. I'm loving it. I'm stoked right now. So we removed the front fenders, got that cowling off the front, got baling wire just holding this front core support up on there, so when we put the fenders on there, it will hold it all together. Roof all cut off, bed off, still functional truck. This thing still runs, and that's the goal, because we're just gonna cap swap this thing.